Okay, today I'm going to demonstrate to you how I built a homemade brass rod bender to make handrails for toys like this, for heavy equipment toys, dump trucks, front end loaders, so forth. I wasn't getting very consistent bends. This handrail here was built before the bender, as well as the one on the other side, and I got close, but it wasn't as consistent as I wanted it. So I looked online for what they had to sell, and a little out of my price range. They had some different things that you could buy. This one I've already bent, but you can see the concept of it. It was laid out at 4 inches long. I brought this around, which when the rod was straight, it was bending it on around, just like it's bending it now. And you have to go past 90 just a little bit, and then you do the other end, and that gives you a 2-inch drop on each end once you cut this off. But it consists of a block of wood. There was a scrap block of hardwood. I took another scrap piece of looks like maybe 1/4 inch to 5/16 or something like that thick, 1.5 inches wide, glued it to where it would hold the rod. As it was being bent, it would hold it to keep it from moving the other way. And I'll demonstrate on this one. This is how you just bring this arm around, and you have to go past 90 a little bit because of the spring back. But basically this consists of the main post, which is a 1/2 inch oak dowel, a small piece of oak dowel in the handle to do the bending, and you just pull it around. And you can lay out what length you want. I did up to 7 inches in 1/4 inch increments. And doing that gives you handrails like these two that aren't painted, that are very consistently bent and very even as far as length. So it doesn't take a lot to build it. There was zero cost involved because I had everything, including the handle, laying around as scrap, as most of us do, and took me about an hour. I had to glue the piece on to the block, the back, I'm going to call it the backboard. Had to glue it on the block, wait for that to dry, then lay it all out and try it out. And for bending 1/8 brass rod, this is as good as I've seen yet as far as getting consistent bends and consistent lengths to build, again, something like a set of handrails for a piece of supposedly heavy equipment that's, I don't know what the scale is on that, but this one's about somewhere in the neighborhood of 2 foot long, 4-inch diameter tires. So there you have it. That's how you bend the handrails if you want them consistent and the same every time.